Hi, my name's Jenna. I work in marketing at Morphy Richards. I'm now going to show you how the Accents 1 cup works. Simply take a mug of water, lift up the lid, pour it into the back, place the cup on the drip tray, press the illuminating on-off button, see how quickly it's boiling, and in approximately 30 seconds the water will be boiled and it will dispense into the mug. So the water that has just been poured in is now coming straight back out boiled. For more information on the Accents 1 cup, visit Home with the House Proud or the Morphy Richards website.